Hi friends, once we own a wonderful WordPress website, security is the next concern for it. In the last video, I shown how we can secure our WordPress website in just a single click using an option available under Softaculous script installer. So Softaculous is a prominently used script installer through which we can simply install the WordPress core and also have some updates feature and all. You can watch the specific video that I shown how you can implement the security measures for your WordPress website. This is the option. This is a demo website and it is using Perl WordPress theme. Again, you can watch the specific video for this theme as well. In this video, I'm going to show you a security plugin through it you can really secure your WordPress website, and this plugin is coming from the developers of Softaculous. So this is why I discussed about the Softaculous as well. This is a very widely used software and it can install multiple scripts in just few clicks. So you can explore the Softaculous options. In addition to WordPress, it can help you in lot. So of course, you can use this for WordPress installations as well. Now, the next question, why this plugin I am showing you, why I have selected this plugin for security measures. First of all, it is coming from a very reputed house, Softaculous, and it protects your WordPress website from unauthorized access and malware. So this is the main reason for any hacking attempt, unauthorized access. And if you are protecting your website from unauthorized access, it is likely secure and you can sit cool for about the security of your website. So Loginizer is a WordPress plugin which helps you fight against brute force attack by blocking login for the IP after it reaches maximum retries allowed. So you are going to control the IPs through which the brute force attacks are going on. You can blacklist or whitelist IPs for login using Loginizer. You can use various other features like two-factor auth, reCAPTCHA, and the passwordless login and all such things. So it is the second reason being why I have selected. And this has already got 1 million plus installation. It is regularly being updated and the main thing, it is free. So you can use this plugin at your WordPress website. Let us check how it works for this installation for this website and what are the features available in this plugin. So I will directly go to the plugins and click on add a new plugin and we'll search for Loginizer and install the plugin. So this is the search screen. I'm going to login check. So let us see what is the result here. I believe on Login okay. So this can be correct spelling. Okay, so this is the plugin and it is from Softaculous. It has got very good number of reviews from the existing users. Let us install this plugin and it is going to work in amazing way to protect your WordPress website, I'm sure. And you don't need to plugin install. Let us activate this. And it is going to be super simple, but yes, it is going to be super effective as well. So the main thing, it is regularly being updated for the possible brute forces, and it is good that we can handle all the things on the WordPress dashboard itself. So this is the Loginizer security. Once we activate the plugin, and I can go to the dashboard directly. First of all, if you want, you can subscribe the newsletter, and next is refer and earn options are also there, just in case if you want to earn as well. So as soon as you install and activate this plugin, Loginizer security, by default, the brute force protection is immediately enabled. So your website is going to be more secure right away once you activate the plugin. And you should start by going over the default settings and tweaking them as per your needs. So these are the things, and the server IP address and all is visible here. And next, some security measures what has been advised. Next, we can go to the brute force screen, and that is again going to give us some additional feature that we can set up here. Like these are the logs and how many times we want to allow the retries. Sorry. So 3 maximum failed attempts allowed before lockout. Lockout time is 15 minutes. Max lockouts is 5. Extend lockout is 24. So reset retries is 24. Email notification and the trusted IPs, email address, and all these things can be set here easily. Like a blacklist IP we can add here. Add blacklist IP range, even, and just in case if we are getting attacks from a IP range, we can enable the range as well. We can whitelist the IPs and we can show the error message, what message should be displayed on the screen. Next is the passwordless option. This is again some additional feature, and if it is enabled, the login screen will just ask the username or email address of the user, and if such user exists, an email with one-time login link will be sent to the email address to the user. So this is a wonderful feature that you can offer to your users, but loginless is a pro feature, so you need to upgrade this plugin to pro one. So two-factor auth is also available, but it is again a pro feature, and the reCAPTCHA option we can use, but this is again a pro feature. I'm just showing the screen. Single sign-on, so you can generate SSO link or send it to an email to give them access to your WordPress admin, like a login without password, and we are generating a link for SSO, and it is again going to be helpful if you are providing support and like this. Social login is a new feature, and you can enable the social login using LinkedIn, Google, or Facebook, and all these social media platforms. Further security, in the security settings, we have XML, RPC, and the new login slug and all the basic things, and even update the htaccess files. So rewrite rule and htaccess file can be controlled from here. So these are all great options through which we can enable the security measure at our WordPress website. So mainly in the free feature, brute force protection is very important. That gives the control over IPs through which the users are accessing your website, and you can have the failed login attempt logs, blacklist IPs, whitelist IPs, and custom error message on failed login, permission check for important files and folders, allow only trusted IP, blocked screen in place of the login page, email notification on successful login, and let users log in with LinkedIn. So these are 3 features. And in the pro features, you can have MD5 checksums, passwordless login, so as I shown. So you can read all these details. I'm going to add the link in the description of this video. And for upgrading, you can simply click on the link, upgrade to pro, and you can have the pricing. Free one is 0 for always. And if you wish to have the pro feature, you have to pay the $24. So it is also worth taking this. So it is very nominal price, and we can pay a yearly amount, and we can control one website using this pro feature. So all will be covered in the pro feature. You can check this list. So in the next video, I'm coming with more features for your WordPress website, and I believe you have already subscribed this channel and watching the videos coming on this channel for reviewing the theme, the overgoing the theme, the plugins, and how to videos are there. So let us meet on the next video. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, keep building. Thank you.